This one video is responsible for over 262,000 views and thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did to start earning those commissions. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pocket. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do today is I'm going to show you how to create content for affiliate marketing. We're gonna talk about the best kind of keywords. I'm gonna show you a few examples from a YouTube channel that isn't about making money online. So let's go ahead and jump right into my computer. Many years ago, my first niche was actually in home security cameras. And if we take a look at my screen here, I have over 262,000 views on a video that's 5 years old. The video is only 6 minutes long, and quite honestly, it's not a very good video. However, that one video is responsible for literally thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions. In fact, whenever I make a video in that realm, and I'll talk about what to do in just a moment, it gets tons of views, thousands of views, of course, and it earns lots of affiliate commissions. And what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to show you how I go about creating content, especially if you're a brand new seller. If you don't have a following already, if you are just getting started, I want you to follow this method because it's going to be the fastest way that you can make money. So what we're going to do is I'm going to hop on over to my free online whiteboard. This is a whiteboard that I use pretty much in every video. And if you haven't followed me yet, be sure to go ahead and follow, subscribe. But what we want to do is we want to take a look at things from a bottom-up approach. Now, most people will tell you to go from top down. I want you to go from bottom up. The reason why you want to go bottom up is because down here is where the money is. And so what we're going to do is, if you are brand new to affiliate marketing and making money online, we want to create content where it's closest to the money and not up here where there's a lot of competition and a lot of people talking about different things, a lot of noise. Now, I want to give you an illustration. I want to show you how and why this works. On this video that has over 262,000 views, the video title is how to install Ring doorbell without existing doorbell. Now, the keyword here is Ring video doorbell. In fact, if we look here, can you watch Ring video doorbell on your computer? That got 21,000 views. Down here, how to remove battery from Ring doorbell, that got almost 10,000 views, and the commissions come rolling in. Now, what you want to do down here is you want to create content that speaks directly to the product, the problem, and the solution. For example, what you want to do is you want to create unboxing videos, and I'm going to show you examples of this in just a moment. Unboxing, first impression, reviews, and maybe how to do stuff. You want to create that at this level. And the reason being is that people already know what they want to buy. They just want to make sure that this is going to fit whatever problems they have. And to show you, and you can do this with really any platform, I'm just using YouTube because that's where we are. But if you hopped over to YouTube and you typed in something like how to set up, and I'm just going to use this Ring indoor camera because it's sitting right in front of me, how to set up Ring indoor camera. Now look at this. People are asking how to set up Ring indoor camera on wall, second generation, and so on. We click the first one here, and you're going to see that there are lots of views here, lots of opportunity. 11,000 views, 64,000 subscribers, 187,000 views, 24,000 subscribers. This is what I would call a good view to subscriber ratio. When there are more views than subscribers, this is what you're looking for. In fact, 85,000 views, 9.6 thousand subscribers. He got what, 9 times more views than he has subscribers. In fact, I bet you a bunch of these subscribers came from this one video. And so what I encourage you to do is encourage you to start creating content down here where it's far less competitive than up here where there's a lot of competition. People don't usually know what products and services they need. For example, someone might be typing in something much more general. They might be typing in something like how to secure your apartment or where to place security cameras. And so the more general the question, the more broad the answers can be. For example, if someone said how to secure your apartment, that could lead to 10 or 15 different answers. Where to place security cameras, that's a list where you could place it in 10 different places. However, down here at the bottom of the funnel where we started, these people already know the problem they have. Maybe they want to have a camera in their child's room, whatever it might be, and they just want to make sure that the solution is right for them. So that's the first area that I would go. The second place that I would go is I would look up X versus Y. So I would find two products and compare them. So we're going to say X versus Y. For example, we could do a Ring indoor camera versus maybe a Waze camera. Ring versus. Now look at all of the different options that pop up versus the stick-up cam, Nest indoor camera. Now these people, again, they have a pretty good understanding of the problem and the solution. They're just comparing between 2 or even 3. And so what you'd want to do is you simply want to put down the pros and cons to these two different things, two different cameras or products, and talk about which one is right for which situation. Now again, 30,000 views, 11,000 subscribers, a very good view to subscriber ratio, and hopefully that illustrates that there is opportunity out there for content creators of all types. Look at this one. This one only has 6,000, almost 7,000 subscribers, 9,000 views. Once again, a very good view to subscriber ratio, and you can do this with just about any product. Most people will say that everything's oversaturated, but you can see here that this is an opportunity for you to create content. And what you can do, like I said, is you can simply look at all of these different options and make videos for each. And then you could actually put your affiliate link to both products and earn commissions that way. But you can see here that this is a very simple way to start generating affiliate commissions. Now, before we continue, let's talk about how to actually make the content. When I'm making content, I like to think about who, what, when, where, why, and how. What I'll do, in fact, is on a Google Doc or a notepad, I will write down who, what, when, where, why, how with regard to my question. So if I'm doing X versus Y, I'm going to say who, a Ring indoor camera versus the indoor stick-up cam. What's important? What are the features? What does my target audience want to know? When would be the right time to buy this product versus that product? Where to buy the product? Where to place it? Put yourself in the customer's shoes. Think about the questions that they would be asking so that you can answer them in a logical way. Now, the key to this, the cool thing about this is that if you can answer the questions before the customer asks them, they're going to say, hey, this guy is really in my mind, or this girl's really in my head. I know, like, and trust him because he's answering questions before I even think to ask them. So make sure that you are answering questions, all of these questions, who, what, when, where, why, how, because that's going to be the best way to get into your customer's head. Now, let's jump back over to our funnel. The next thing that we can create content about are alternatives. So we can do product X alternatives. So we could come back over here and we could type in Ring camera alternatives. And as you can see, these are different. Look at this, 31,000 views, 84,000 subscribers, Ring doorbell without subscription plus alternatives. Look at this, interesting, 25 views, 1 subscriber. This is probably an AI. Yeah, this was done with like Pictory or InVideo. But you can see here that this would be a really good opportunity to get into the market, even if you think the market is really saturated. Now, if we come back over to our whiteboard, the next thing that we can type in are best X for Y and best X under Y. So best X for Y and best X under Y. So someone might be typing in best home security cameras for nighttime or best home security cameras for a child's room. Or they might be typing in best home security cameras under $25. And again, just to verify this, we can type in best indoor camera for, and look at this, people are looking up best indoor camera for pets, home, baby, home security. We could click on this baby one, and you're going to see there's a little bit more competition. There are more views, but this is a really good opportunity to create content once again. So look at this, best baby monitors is what pops up. That still has a very good view to subscriber ratio. Best indoor security camera of 2023, 61,000 views, 31,000 subscribers. You can see that there is opportunity here. Actually, if we scroll down just a little bit, 18,000 views, best 5 baby monitors. If we pick a different one, best indoor camera for pets, we'll choose that one, and you're going to see 35,000 views, 96,000 subscribers, 26,000 views. So as you can see, there's a little bit more competition in this area, but there's also more interest. Now, when you look at this, before we looked from bottom to top, now we're going to look at it top to bottom. Now, what happens is you make a video, best X for Y. There are 4 options, right? I'm just going to give you an example. So best indoor security camera, we've got the Ring, we've got the Waze, W-Y-Z-E. We have, let's say, camera ABC. What happens is these views get divided because 1/3 of the viewers liked Ring, 1/3 of the viewers like the Waze, and then the other remaining third like the camera. And so as you're moving down, these people start to get filtered out, and that's why it's good to work bottom to top instead of top to bottom. But as you can see here, best X for Y, best X under Y, and then the top one is how to secure your apartment, where to place security cameras, who, what, when, where, why, how. This is going to be more general information, which may include lots of steps or a lot of options, and the customer might not be ready to buy. Now, the cool thing about this funnel is customers have three options. One, they can leave because they decided that their problem isn't as bad as they thought it was. They can move down a step, so they might be asking better questions. The more information they have, the better questions they ask, or they can come down and buy. Now, if you are creating content down here, they only really have two options. They can either buy or they can leave, and you want people that are ready to buy. So if I were starting over, and if I knew that creating content about actual products would be much more profitable, I kind of stumbled across this on accident, I would create all of my content about Ring doorbell. I would include that keyword right in all of my content to help get more views. Again, I stumbled on this on accident. You can see I did a bunch of videos about other stuff and had mixed results. But once I started creating content about actual products and talking about the actual product, I started seeing more success online. Now that you know how to create content for affiliate marketing, watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.